Welcome back, whatever's in the fridge. Today we're doing a special one, a bacon brunch sandwich. Right, let's get on with it, eh? God bless you. Here's all the ingredients you need. You got your hash browns here, and you got some nuggets. You got bacon, cheese, pineapple, bread, and in this thing here we got some beetroot. Right, let's go. Here we go to the pan. About to put the hash browns and the chicken in here. Yeah. Now let's see how these things are doing in the oven. Oh yeah, they're coming along. Here we go, here's the bread. This is the way I do it. I fry the bread in the fry pan. So I'll fry these two bits of bread and put them aside. Would you look at that toasted bread. Oh yeah, see that, baby. I'm going to add a few other things to this bacon. I'm going to put a bit of mustard and a bit of sweet sour sauce. Oh yeah, there's pineapple. Pineapple. Yum. Here they all are, look at that, ready to go into the sandwich. Yeah. Yep, here it is, all finished. Barbecue sandwich for brunch.